So the SunWize Power Ready Express systems that are shipped with solar modules that have MC4 cables also is accompanied by a large male and female cable. It's all one length, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut this into two pieces. So what we want to do is don't cut anywhere near the ends. What you're going to do is lay it out, find the midpoint. At that point you're going to cut the midpoint, and now you'll have two 15-foot cables, one for the positive and one for the negative. In this scenario, what we're going to do is take two 12-volt modules and connect them in series to create a 24-volt array. So here what we're going to do is we're going to take the positive and the negative, connect it up, and then we're going to take the positive from the previously cut output cable, connect that up, and we're going to also connect that up on the negative. And at this point, we now have a 24-volt array with an output cable that you're going to go to your 24-volt charge controller.